October is Fire Prevention Month, and the Odessa Fire Department are doing their part to let it be known to citizens to take precautions. Hunter Alcacer has more on how they're doing that. Hunter?
Yeah, Rachel, 2 months ago, an 11-year-old girl in Odessa named Azaria Williams lost her life in a mobile home fire. Now, the Odessa Fire Department and Ector County Sheriff's Office want to help prevent a similar tragedy from happening to anyone else. October is Fire Prevention Month, and the Odessa Fire Department and Ector County Sheriff's Office want to help residents take precautions in their homes.
And so I got a hold of the sheriff and I said, why don't we do a campaign where we could come together and, just get a neighborhood and we can see if they don't have smoke detectors, we can install smoke detectors free at no charge.
Though they knocked on every door they came across in the neighborhood, there are specific groups that they hope that they can get to specifically, as well as just do as much as they can for the community.
We really want to make sure that we target the elderly that live alone and the family that has children. Those are the most vulnerable. If we can do one home and we can secure that one home by installing a smoke detector, we can say we've done something.
The fire marshal and sheriff hope to make this an annual campaign that they come together to do to help citizens in Odessa. Rachel?